Hi, Tom here with Wannapreneur, and in today's episode I'm going to be going over the results I got from hiring a model spokesperson off of Fiverr. So I'm currently trying to grow a startup cleaning business, and I figured I'd have a professional video made so I can embed it on a website and maybe use it for Facebook advertisement. I've used Fiverr before, but never in this particular category. I came across the seller, the ad girls, which had good reviews, so I selected them. And I simply just sent in my script with the total number of words in the script. I selected the basic package because I would be doing my own animation in the background. I must say, I was impressed with this purchase off Fiverr. I'm not going to show you the whole video, but this is an example of what I got.
Hello and welcome to Mop and Broom Cleaning Services. We service Wayne and Oakland, Michigan, as well as much of the surrounding areas. Mop and Broom provides house cleaning, office cleaning, and exterior window cleaning services. Wouldn't it be nice to come home to a professionally clean home and not have to worry about cleaning anything? Mop and Broom will make this happen.
For $55, I received a minute-long video with an attractive spokesperson talking about my businesses and services. For those who don't know what Fiverr is, it's an online platform which you can buy digital services such as video editing, marketing, website creation, and much more. I've used Fiverr many times and I've only had one Fiverr fail thus far. If you're in need for some help for certain parts of your business that you may not have the expertise or know-how, or you may not just have the time, this online platform is really good for sourcing out any kind of work that can be done via the computer. If you used Fiverr before, what service did you have done and were you happy with it? Comment below, I'd like to know, and thanks for watching.